Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new portfolio on the Collectr app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add a new portfolio to your Collectr app. Maybe one portfolio is dedicated to slabs, one's dedicated to sealed. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on or log on to the Collectr app. Next, on the bottom right-hand corner, you want to go and click on Portfolio. Now, from here, what you're going to do next after clicking Portfolio is that next to where it says Portfolio Sealed, you want to click on that green lettered word. So yours might look different from mine, obviously, but next you're just going to click on Add New and then name your portfolio, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and create a new portfolio on the Collectr app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all